Hi there, welcome back to another video. So today I will be cleaning my daughter's bedroom. She's 8 years old and obviously does not like to clean up after herself. So I'm going to attempt to put it back in order. There's stuff all over the floor. There's toys, clothes, shoes. Everything is not where it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna clean it up, not a deep clean, just like an overall cleanup. And look at this. Look at her closet. Every single drawer is open and the shoes are all over the place. And back here, same. So I'm just gonna try to clean it up, get stuff back where it belongs, get these shelves cleaned up, and yep, let's get started. So right now I'm just gonna start reorganizing my daughter's LOL dolls. Question, is anybody else's daughter as obsessed with LOL dolls as mine is? Seriously, every time I go to Target, she will get an LOL doll or ask for an LOL doll for her birthday or any special occasion. And she got this big one for Christmas. Santa got it for her, obviously. And I used to keep them down here in this little box, but her collection has grown, and as you can tell, this box is overflowing, so I decided to just put them all in this cute little bin. That way they're not scattered all over the room and they're easy to find, because if you know you're a girl mom, you know those tiny accessory pieces, they get lost everywhere. So this is my attempt at trying to avoid some tears by not getting them with the vacuum. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. So down here, she got one of these fake snow kits for Christmas, and it fell behind her nightstand, and now it's a mess all over the floor. And there's all kinds of stuff down here, toys, tags, books, everything. I swear, this girl is super messy. And also, I like to apologize for the shakiness on this clip. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but I will get better, I promise. So now onto her closet. So I have this sleeping bag slash tent that I need to put up there. And up here, I keep all of our Christmas decorations, like our fake Christmas tree and ornaments and all that stuff. We have a very small apartment, so I have to make use of all of our closets. So now I can fit in that sleeping bag and these extra toys, and now onto her clothes. So this drawer right here is the jeans slash pants, leggings, and this is how I fold them. I'm sure everyone and their mother knows how to do this now ever since the Marie Kondo show came out. But seriously, where has this been all my life? All these jeans fit perfectly. Ta-da! The drawer sucks, but they fit. And now onto her shoes. I keep them on this shelf right here, the shoe rack, and it's dirty, you know, like dusty from all the dirt, but I just wipe it down. And also on the dust on her kitchen, which is not that bad today. And then onto the floor, there's all kinds of stuff down here. I don't even know where it came from. She has books that constantly fall off her shelf because she'll slam the door, or you know, they just fall off. And then those pink bins under the bed, they're her costume and dress up drawers. And then the stuff that you see in the back doorway, that's stuff that I'm getting rid of, like those costumes if they don't fit, or extra toys or mismatched stuff. So just don't mind that stuff. And let's keep on going. And one more thing, I'm so sorry about all these butt shots. I was not aware that that was going on. Like I said, I'm still trying to get the hang of this, so the next one I'll get better angles, I promise. Alright, so this is the final result. Yay! Keep in mind, this was not a deep cleaning video. This was just a, hey, let's get crap put away kind of video. I still have to do a deep cleaning and purge a bunch of toys, but my main goal was to just get everything cleaned up and put away. Get stuff off the floor. That way there's no accidents and we don't trip over stuff. You know, put the clothes away where they're supposed to be. No more hangers on the shelves. So now back here where she has her bags and stuff, this little hook right here is supposed to be up here, but it fell down, so I still need to put it back up there. That way I can organize all of her stuff. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. And see, like I said, books fall off the wall all the time. But this is it, and I think I did a good job. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time.